Now that we've created the header to go across the top of our course to improve the appearance, we now need to insert that into Moodle or Edumate Online Classroom. So in order to do that, log into Edumate, follow the link to the online classroom, and that'll bring you to your home page. You'll normally have a My Courses link down the left hand side, and as a teacher you'll be able to edit the content that is available in your course. So what we're going to do is follow the link into one of our courses, and you'll notice that at the moment I'm logged in as a teacher and editing is turned on. If I push this button here, then it will turn editing off. When editing is off, you can then press that button again and it will turn editing on. You can add your header to any of the section boxes down the page. So you'll notice I've got my topic outline at the very top, and then each section, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on down the page, can also be edited. So if you wanted to put in subtopics, then you could actually edit each of these boxes and add a header in exactly the same way as we're going to do to the top one. So I'm going to add my header to this very top box. To do that, you click on the Edit Summary link, and that will take you into this lovely little editing window. Now at the moment the header is sitting on my desktop, so we need to put that onto the server. So what we're going to do is just click where we would like the heading to appear, which is at the very top, and then choose to insert an image. Once we choose to insert an image, we'll then get, and I'll just resize it a bit so that you can see, this little Insert Image dialog box, and you can actually browse and upload a file. You'll notice down the bottom of it, these are the files that are currently on my on the server, and they're available to me. However, I haven't put my header on the server, so I'm now going to browse to my desktop where I just saved my header image, find the header image, and choose to select it, and then I'm going to push the upload button, which is then going to upload it from my local desktop and put it onto the server. To insert it into the web page, I then click on it. I need to type in some alternate text. You'll notice a preview of my image appears over here on the right. By typing in some alternate text, this is the text that appears while the image is loading, or if the image is not available for some reason. So I could just call it exactly what my topic is, which is computers. You can also play around with these optional settings down the bottom. The layout will allow you to change the alignment and add a border around the outside of your image. You can space it vertically or horizontally from certain text, so that would mean that text couldn't appear directly below it. Just by typing in a number there, you'll get further, or you'll get larger spacing. And same thing with your width. If it's too large or too small, you can adjust the width and the height. Playing around with those last two numbers is sometimes a little bit dangerous, because you'll skew your image. For example, at the moment the width is 728 and the height is 90. If you change the width to 90 by 90, then all of this text here, the computers, would become very squashed, and the image would appear skewed. Once you've typed in the image URL, or you've selected the image URL, and you've given alternate text, you then say OK. This takes you back to that main page, where you're then able to save the changes. By saving the changes, you're then taken back to your course page, and you'll notice that your course page now has the banner across the top of that topic section.